Nuthatches, as secondary hole nesters, eagerly use the woodpecker's hollows. However, the original inlet holes are too large for them. Therefore, the birds cover their parts with clay or mud mixed with saliva, adapting them to their own size. The way of moving around the trunks is also characteristic for nuthatches. They walk with their head down, looking for prey in the hollows of tree bark. They feed on different foods, including seeds in autumn and winter, but in the spring and summer, insects are the main ingredient of their diet.